Hey, buddy. Hi. Precious gift. So I got my drink. I haven't eaten at Taco Bell for 3 months. I still eat fast food just occasionally. 3 tacos. And my quesadilla. I'm gonna fuck it up. Muy bien. Delicioso. I forgot. I can speak a little bit of Spanish. Pero mi el come taco. Mucho gusto. No, that means how are you? I'm not using the right sentence. El taco. No hablas español. No hablas español. This isn't el pollo. El queso. I don't know how to speak Spanish. Wow, I need to start learning again. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this el come taco, and I'm gonna like it. Gracias to myself. You like it when I speak Spanish, buddy? My amigos. My amigo, Migo Perro, you're my friend, dog. Ooh, they gave me the Diablo. Diablo. I spent my dinero on this. Yeah, buddy.